Gratitude is one of the most powerful ways to connect with others. Whether you're thanking someone casually, professionally, or for a big favor, knowing the right phrases in English can make your appreciation shine. Today, I'll teach you how to express gratitude for every situation and share some tips to make your thank you even more meaningful. Let's get started. Basic ways to say thank you. Let's begin with simple, everyday ways to say thank you. Thank you. Classic and universal, fits almost any situation. Thanks. A casual version of thank you, perfect for informal conversations. Thank you so much. Adds emphasis when you are especially grateful. Thanks a lot. Another way to show deeper appreciation in a casual tone. Many thanks. Common in emails or formal letters. Formal expressions of gratitude. For professional or formal settings, try these. I truly appreciate your help. Professional and heartfelt. I am deeply grateful for your support. Shows a higher level of gratitude. I sincerely thank you for your assistance. Polite and respectful. Thank you for taking the time to acknowledges someone's effort. Great for work scenarios. Please accept my heartfelt thanks. Perfect for formal emails or speeches. Casual and friendly thanks. For informal chats with friends or family, these work well. Thanks a ton. A playful, casual way to say thank you. You're the best, thanks. Great for close friends who have helped you. Big thanks. Informal but impactful. Cheers. A casual thank you, common in British English. Thanks a million. Adds a fun twist to your appreciation. Expressing gratitude in professional settings. In work or business situations, gratitude can leave a lasting impression. Try these. I sincerely thank you for your time and effort. Shows respect and appreciation for a colleague or superior. I am grateful for the opportunity to work on this project. Expresses humility and professionalism. Thank you for considering my application. A polite way to show gratitude during interviews. Your guidance has been invaluable. Thank you. Perfect for mentors or supervisors. I appreciate your prompt response. Often used in professional emails. When someone goes above and beyond. Sometimes a simple thank you isn't enough. In those moments, you can say, I can't thank you enough. Shows deep appreciation for an extraordinary favor. I'm forever grateful for what you have done. Adds a heartfelt tone to your gratitude. Words can't express how thankful I am. Conveys extreme gratitude when emotions run high. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Emotional and sincere. You have made my day. Thank you so much. Perfect for acts of kindness. Non-verbal ways to express gratitude. Sometimes actions speak louder than words. Write a thank you note or email. Give a small gift as a token of appreciation. Return the favor when possible. Smile and maintain a warm tone while expressing thanks. Gratitude is a universal language. Whether you're speaking to a friend, a co-worker, or even a stranger, a heartfelt thank you can make their day. Practice these phrases and find the one that suits your situation best. Thank you for watching. If you found this lesson helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more English tips. See you in the next video.